guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. As always, today I'm going to be filming a highly requested video. I say this, I guess, about a lot of videos, but since I started doing videos back again, I've been really paying attention to the things that you guys want to see. So today I actually went to yoga this morning, and this is yoga hair. So one of the biggest challenges that I hear from my readers is gym hair, like how do you deal with it? So I wanted to show you guys what I'm doing. I've been experimenting with a couple of techniques to just come to you and tell you this is what you need to do. It works, it's fine. Now if you get grossed out by not washing your hair, then by all means you guys wash it. You know, I don't, I'm fine with it. I just use some good dry shampoo. My sweat is my own sweat and I can live with it. So I'm trying to go like 2 days and then wash my hair, and I'm trying to work out like 3 days a week that it's like really heavy, sweaty. If I can like do the hot yoga 3 times, like 3 days in a row, then that's the best, because then I would definitely wait 3 days and then I wash my hair and then I can shoot and I can do all of these other things. So it's like really what works for you and your schedule. But this hair you can hold it for like at least a couple of times going to the gym. Easy, doesn't get any easier than that. Okay, so let's get to the hair. What are you gonna do? Dry shampoo, or what are you gonna need? Dry shampoo and a hair dryer. And you might need a little hair clip, but here is what you're working with, guys. Hi. So anyway, I'm just gonna divide this into, this is not meant to be like a perfect or nothing, okay? If you like the volume, just focus on the roots. I'm just gonna run the hair dryer over this just to get rid of the crazy frizz and all over the place hair. So the idea here is basically just to blow out and dry the areas that are like sweaty and just kind of like have an even look to your hair. Okay. So as you come to the top layer, which is what's going to be showing more than the lower, I'm going to use my Way. This is the foam dry shampoo. Love this stuff. It's like magic. So just a tiny bit, because I'm only going to use this on my sides. Mainly where people see the hair. This is going to be covered up by the top layer, so I focus right where the hair is going to show, which is like, for instance, in this side, on the side. And you want to clean a little bit of that sweat, guys, and the dry shampoo is going to help. After the dry shampoo, you're going to do the same thing as you did in the bottom layer. Just run that heat right close to your roots and then all the way down to the ends. Much better already, right? Same thing in here, guys. And then here, since we're gonna divide the hair in the middle, you might want to touch the dry shampoo here too. So I'm going to separate the bangs from the rest of the hair. If you do not have bangs, you do not need to do the step, you just divide into. That's usually easier for me. Guys, the drier the mousse is, the best. The better the brush is going to slide over your hair here. And then I'll do boom, boom, and boom. Guys, my hair is pretty like ethnic. I'd say it's thick. So I focus a lot on the ends. You know, you would just focus on whatever. If your hair is already straight, this process is going to be so much easier for you. But if not, then just focus where, see, like where my ponytail was tied up, it's all marked by the elastic. So you want to focus that heat right there. Now the tricky part is the bangs. The bangs, I don't always quite know what's gonna happen. So here we go, let's try this. Told you, this just never knew. Aside from the massive bang volume, and guys, I'm still learning how to deal with this Brazilian treatment in my bangs. I might need a little hairspray here. What do you guys think? Does this look like gym hair to you? No, honey, it does not. Does it look like it's dirty? No, it's not. Guys, so good, isn't it? So I hope this actually really truly helps you. I know this seems like such a simple trick, but a lot of people are just maybe weirded out about not washing your hair, but it's just easy. It's easy, there's no excuse. So if this is your excuse on my hair, like, I'm here to tell you, it's like a 5-minute deal. So just bring your dry shampoo. It does not have to be this dry shampoo. I just feel like this cleanses better than my spray ones, and I have some spray ones that have a lot of texture or residue, so that doesn't work with the sweat and everything. I mean, feel free to try whatever you want, but this has been working really nice for me. And that's it. And then if you feel like you want to curl your hair, you can like totally style it. I'm just gonna leave mine like this because I'll probably just go tomorrow again, and then I'll wash this baby out. But I wish that my bangs were looking a little nicer for you guys, especially for the sakes of this video. But hey, it's real life, so this is what it looks like, truly unfiltered hashtag for you. And that's it. I really hope that this has helped you. Let me know in the comments if it does. Do not forget to leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, all of that jazz that you guys already know. This helps me so much, and I'll see you next time. Um beijo.